Hi, in this video we'll talk about equivalent fractions. As the name suggests, equivalent fractions are equivalent. They look different, but they are equal to the same value. In other words, equivalent fractions have different numerators and denominators, but they are equivalent in nature. Let's use the two pizzas I drew to help us understand equivalent fractions. Now, let's assume these two pizzas are exactly the same size or even the same topping if you like. On the left, if we cut the pizza into 4 equal slices and eat 2 slices, then we can express the amount of pizza we ate as a fraction. The numerator is how many slices we had, and the denominator is how many slices our whole pizza is sliced into. In this case, since we cut the pizza into 4 equal slices and ate 2, the fraction will be 2 over 4. Now on the right, let's cut the same pizza into 8 equal slices, and this time we're going to eat 4 slices. The fraction representing the amount of pizza we ate becomes 4 over 8. Now, if we compare the two pictures, they look the same. We ate the same fraction of pizza overall. So does it mean 2 on 4 is equal to 4 on 8? Let's take a closer look at the two fractions. If we want to represent 2 on 4 using a picture, it means we have 4 equal sections in total and color 2 of them. Similarly, 4 on 8 means we have 8 equal sections and we color 4 of them. According to the pictures, they indeed look the same. Take one step further, we notice that exactly half of both pictures are colored. So does it mean both 2 on 4 and 4 on 8 are equal to half? Let's go back to the definition. Equivalent fractions look different, but they are equal to the same value. So they are all equivalent, and they are called equivalent fractions. If we look at the three fractions, from 2 on 4 to 1 on 2, we can divide both the numerator and denominator by 2, and from half to 4 on 8, we can multiply both the numerator and denominator by 4. Now we know that we can find equivalent fractions by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. Keep in mind that there are many equivalent fractions for every fraction. However, for all the fractions out there, there is one fraction that cannot be simplified further. So there is no more number that divides into both the numerator and the denominator. We say that this type of fraction is in its simplest form. So the highest common factor of the numerator and denominator is 1. In this case, half is the fraction that's in its simplest form because the highest common factor of 1 and 2 is 1. So this fraction cannot be simplified any further. And altogether, we can say that half, 2 on 4 and 4 on 8 are all equivalent fractions. I hope you find this video helpful. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye!